Hello and welcome back to Philip's Thoughts, and we are going to go ahead and make some French toast. Family's coming over for the holidays, time to have a nice big breakfast. First off, we're going to set the temperature for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'm not doing a bait and switch on you, but we are going to go ahead and have some bacon with our French toast. So I'm using the Cook's Secret Weapon parchment paper. This stuff is great. It saves a lot of time cleaning. Your bacon doesn't stick to the pan. It's great. So we're going to go ahead and get that laid out. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put this in the oven. I'm not going to wait for the oven to heat up to 375. I'm going to go ahead and put it in while it's heating up. That tends to, in my opinion, cook the bacon better. And you want to let this go for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Check on it. It really depends on the bacon you get. If you got a thick bacon or thin, and your oven as well. So we are breaking out the cast iron skillet. But first, we're making French toast. We're going to use some toast. Now, I know this seems weird. We're toasting our toast before we toast it. So I'm using some Texas toast, which is a thicker toast here. And I'm going to go ahead and just lightly toast that. Take a look here. We don't want this too dark. We just want it nice and golden brown. And in my opinion, this just helps when it soaks up all that goodness that we're going to put together. It'll hold shape better. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and add our milk to our pan. I'm using a square pan, square dish here, just so the bread will fit better when we're soaking. And we're going to go ahead and add some eggs. We're going to go ahead and use 5 eggs. And this will be enough to coat, 8 to 10 pieces of bread. And I did not see any shells go in there, so nothing crunchy in our toast. Okay, here goes a tablespoon of sugar. We're going to go ahead and just sweeten that up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt, because salt's just a little flavor enhancer, kind of counteracts all the sweetness here. And then cinnamon. Use as much or as little as you like. This is going to be one of those preference things. Some people are big cinnamon fans, others aren't. And then go ahead and whisk this up. Now, I started using the big whisk on this just to try to get that broken up and that. And then I went to the fork finally, because you want to make sure that that's really mixed up good. See, there's no clumps of egg there, because you want that to be able to soak into the bread. So may take a little bit of whisking, but you'll be all right. Squeeze a couple in there, give that one a little love pat, get them down in there, and let them start sucking up all that goodness. I don't recommend leaving your bread in too long, even though we toasted it. If you leave it in there too long, it's just going to become mush and fall apart. So just get it in there, kind of give it a couple flips. And, we had our pan going, so we're going to go ahead and just toss the pat of butter on there. This is another one of those dishes where butter's already here, so you don't need to butter it after it's done cooked and to the table. So no need to add extra butter. It's already got butter baked right in. I like using this cast iron skillet here. I wish I had a bigger one, but this works for what we're doing here. So you knock these out pretty quick. You're only going to leave it on each side for about 2, maybe 3 minutes. Again, it's going to depend on your oven and how you have your burner set. I've got mine set to medium heat, so just let it sit there for a couple minutes. And then we'll just kind of fast forward here. So wait for it. There we go. And this is one of those things where, the more you cook, the more you do it, you'll get your timing down. You'll get into the groove. So, and just look at that. That just looks so good. And what we're going for here is you're going to have the outside just nice, crisp from frying on the pan there. And the inside is going to be nice, creamy, custardy deliciousness. And there we go. You know, paired that up with some scrambled eggs. We got our bacon out. And you can let the bacon go as long as you want. You know, some people like it extra crispy, some chewy. And there, I'm getting kind of carried away with the syrup. So, but yeah, this is, you know, great easy meal. You know, impress your family when they come over to visit this holiday season. So, give it a shot. Come back for some more videos. You know, like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, you know, hey, come on, check this guy out. And, yeah, come back for some more. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. Is there something you like on your French toast? You know, maybe I should have done some strawberries and so forth. So, who knows? Maybe next time we'll do something like that. Maybe we'll do a stuffed French toast. Might have to make my own bread for that so I can get it thicker. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Come on back for some more.